Well, I was out doing my usual trash picking, and I came across this guy who was cleaning out his garage, and he had already rolled the mini bike to the curb, but didn't have anything with it. And I stopped to pick it up, and he said, "Hey, you want the rest of that?" And I'm like, "Sure." And he gave me all the bodywork. All the bodywork, all the wires are intact. I have the air filter cover. Don't mind that piece of crap. The battery's dead. They broke the key switch. But other than that, it's pretty damn intact. A few scratches here and there. I went ahead and patched the fuel lines because they're really hard and it was leaking from where they hook up. So I just spliced in a couple pieces of good line to make sure it had a good connection. I went and got this battery, Interbat 12 volt 9 amp, and I had it on trickle charger for a couple hours, so it should be ready to go. I can solder it in and test the electronics. My workbench is a freaking mess. I have this bag of body hardware already, so I guess it's okay they didn't save any of theirs. I try to keep this stuff in stock since I work on so much Chinese crap. So, let's get it in here and solder this battery in. Okay, now that I've got it in here and I got my soldering stuff all laid out, can get started on putting this battery in. I'm trying to get this extension cord out of my way. I love that buzz. Excellent. That'll work. Looking into buying some actual wire strippers soon. I had some of the automatic ones and the little connecting rod broke in them, so need to invest in a new pair. There we go. Cool. Now I just have to hook up a couple more wires, put a little bit of black tape on here, close the door up, and we'll see if the electronics work. Alright, so the wires, I have to pull them through the grommet on the other side as I go in to get the battery in. And the original screws for this door were a complete joke. From the factory they were like that. It was just like a really thin wood screw that was just poked through, and it didn't really thread in or anything. So I've got these self-tapping screws that I think will work a lot better. So I can back this off. Get my drill. The wife got me some new batteries for Christmas, so thumbs up to her. Wow, that tightened right up. That's not going anywhere. Okay. Theoretically, it should all be plugged back in now. So I don't think I unhooked anything else. And I need to keep the throttle cable out of that chain, so I need to push it forward. Okay. Alright. Before we try to really start this thing up, this is what I was saying earlier about the battery box screws. You can just kind of push them in and out. They're really junky. So I'm going to pull them out of this door as well and change them out. Come over here to my screw divider. Grab a couple of these self-tapping screws. So I'll cut some new threads, and they're a lot bigger than the originals. Cool. That's not going to fall off. Now, guess we can turn the key on. Headlight indicator. Turn signals, horn. Well, whew, that was crappy. So, oh, almost. Oh, come on, you piece of junk. Cool. Okay, so now, guess all I really need to do now is wait for the carburetor to come in, then I can put the bodywork back on and put this thing up for sale. Make a little more money, so that's pretty cool. Finding the trash. Stay tuned for more. I'm going to go out trash picking again later today. Hopefully I'll find something cool. Thanks for watching.